Go ahead. So we're taking a look at the TouchPad, which is Palm's new tablet. You may have heard about it. 9.7-inch display, 1.2 gigahertz Qualcomm CPU, and obviously running WebOS. So do you want to just give a quick run through here?
So a couple of things that we did here. It's running the same WebOS, very intuitive user interface. You can see it's got the familiar card interface, my photos, my browser. But we've tried to use the full canvas that we have now, the giant canvas, to really reimagine some of the applications. One of the ones that we have really done is the email. You see that on the left is all my Google Palm, all my sources. I can go jump into all the way into folders. This is my email list.
And you can use these little
and then I can use these little
there.
panes. You can see that this email I would really love to see in the full kind of the display. It's a rich, full inline HTML email, and I can go enjoy that, focus on this, go back and forth, just like you do more of a desktop style email browsing.
Okay,
and then you can zoom out.
So when you want to jump back to cards, what's the gesture like you do?
So the gesture, we have done away with the gesture area on this. We have this little button because we felt that people would be doing portraits and landscape on this tablet.
So it's always this button here
So
on the
it is
side.
always a center button that gets you back all the way out. But let me just quickly show you one more thing in the email, and that really is stacking of the emails, and which is a new feature in 2.0. Let's say I'm in this email and I go click on that. You see how the browser open, but it's kind of stacked over it. So that's how you can actually visualize, organize your workspace.
And you can throw these away just like you can in regular WebOS.
In regular WebOS, you can just throw that away like that. You can throw one away from top of the stack. You want to compose a new email, I can start an email. I could get interrupted while trying to write up this email. I could go back to my inbox. This is something that not even the most productive minded OSs do today, which is when you are in an email, let you go back and start another email. So it is really powerful, kind of like the power of desktop email behavior.
And you can change the size of this keyboard. How do you do that?
You hold that, and one size doesn't fit all.
Different sizes
and
here.
You could go different sizes. Sorry, you went there. And then the other thing we want to talk about, which is really subtle and simplified, is the number row. This is a very familiar keyboard, and by doing the number row, it prevents you from switching the context over and over again as you are typing. This is a very familiar keyboard. And then you have text correction, text assist technologies to really help you start typing fast on it. Yes.
Oh, I know mistake there.
Yeah. So, but yeah.
Okay, works just the way you'd expect.
Yeah.
So I want to see a couple of things. So the notifications.
So the notification area is up here on the top, and you'll notice.
Do you mind if I take some pictures and stuff?
Yeah, sure. Sorry.
So that just drops down like that, and every time you get a new notification, it kind of slides over here. And then if I want to respond to this,
can you give me 2 minutes?
Hey, buddy.
So
it pops it open.
Yeah, it just pops it open. You can be here, and then not only that, you can actually go triage your notifications from here. And if I find, I need to go do this, you can tap on it, go right to the email. The other thing that this does is you see the SMSs come in here, which is something that you might have seen inside as well.
Right. Wait, one quick thing. Sorry, because I'm gonna have to run. But there's Skype on this. Is that right? Are you showing Skype?
I'm not showing Skype today, but it does have a front-facing camera, and we will be doing the video call.
And will there be Skype? You can't say. You're not allowed to say, are you?
Right.
You can just tell me that it'll be our secret. So Skype will be available.
Yeah, we heard the stuff up in the thing.
Yeah, we are showing Skype on Pre-3 today. The final
only on Pre-3, but you think it'll maybe...
Partnerships will evolve. I mean, they're still, we are evolving that.
Okay.
And you can see that we would be doing video calling on these devices.
Okay.